How to earn money as an affiliate. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video, I reveal how to earn money as an affiliate by promoting affiliate product, guys. Right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that, guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your online business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and read my ebook, download the link. So okay, now here, without any delay, let me show you how to earn money as an affiliate by promoting affiliate product, guys. So guys, here very first thing guys that I would say, guys, just to earn money as an affiliate, first thing I would say, it's my personal opinion, guys, right, that stop thinking how to earn money as an affiliate, and here I would say start thinking how can I solve the problem of my ideal customer. How can I help my ideal customer, guys? Guys, if you start thinking in that way, guys, then you don't have to worry about the money, guys. How, guys? Simply, guys, in affiliate marketing, what you do, guys, you simply pick one problem, guys. I have said this thing so many times, guys. Pick one problem, guys, that you want to solve in the market. So as in my case, guys, as an affiliate marketer, right? So considering that, I have picked one problem, that is how to start online business. So considering that one problem, guys, I have picked one affiliate product, that is one funnel away challenge, guys, through which I'm gonna solve this one particular problem, that is how to start online business. So when people go through the training using my link, I make commission, guys. I earn money as an affiliate, right? But guys, it is not easy, guys, right? As it sounds, guys. Here, understand this. People buy from someone who they know, like, and trust. So how you build that trust, guys? When you help them, when you provide some valuable content that is helpful to your ideal customer, that is useful to your ideal customer, right? So guys, if you go to my YouTube channel, guys, this is my one of the platform where let me just show you, guys, where I provide some valuable content that is related to my you can say my ideal customer, guys, right? As I want to make money online niche, right? And considering that there are so many people, they look for, like, let me show you how to start affiliate marketing business. So guys, considering this keywords or this problem, guys, I have put some of the contents on my YouTube channel, guys. Let me show you. You can see that which affiliate program, how to post affiliate links, how to create lead magnet. Let me just show you. Yep, you can see that. So consider the keywords. I have put out some content, right, where I'm showing people how to make money online, how to start affiliate marketing business, right, how to post links. So what I'm doing here, guys, I'm building trust. When they see my video, they slowly start liking me. They slowly start you can say knowing me, and they slowly start having trust on me. And guys, when trust is built, you don't have to chase for sale, guys. You don't have to ask for sale. People will come to you and they will ask that, hey Pankaj, give me your affiliate link, I want to buy from you. Why? Because you are one of the you can say trustworthy person. You are one of the helpful person who helps people, right? By watching your video, I have learned so many things about affiliate marketing. So yes, I'm gonna use ClickFunnels through your link. I'm gonna you can say register this one funnel away challenge training using your link. So guys, here why? Simple, because of trust, guys, right? So guys, if you want to earn money as an affiliate, first go and start building trust. And how you build that trust? When you help, when you provide valuable content, right? So here it doesn't matter, you have to go with YouTube, you can go with Facebook, you can go with Instagram. Let me show you guys my Facebook. So guys, same thing guys, same thing I do on my Facebook profile guys. On alternative basis, sometimes on daily basis, I put out some valuable content that is helpful to my ideal customer guys, right? You can see that guys. This is my profile. Yeah, this is my link guys, my book link, right? You can see that guys. Yesterday I have done my blog, right? It's my 575, right? What affiliate product to promote. So guys, what I'm doing guys here, simply I'm building trust. I'm letting people to know me, like me, and trust me, right? So guys, this is my advice to you guys. Please understand this. Here it takes time, right? You need to have patience, right? There is no overnight success, right? Here at least you need to give 6 to 12 months time guys, right? So yeah, this is how you can earn money guys, by you can say by providing valuable content, right? Through which you're gonna let people know you, like you, and trust you, right? And yes, no doubt, when trust is built, whatever you will promote, they will buy guys. They will buy from you, and you will make commission as an affiliate guys, right? And this is how I make commission guys, right? Initially nobody was buying from me, but when I started providing some valuable content on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook, on my Instagram, then slowly people started knowing me, liking me, and they started having trust on me. And yes, no doubt, some of them bought my one of the product, that is one funnel of a challenge, through me guys, right? So you have to have patience guys, and stop jumping one shiny object to another shiny object. This is one of the blunder mistake I did guys personally. So yes guys, when you like when you start promoting any product and within a week you don't make any commission, so don't jump guys. Believe, trust the process, and be stick to that very product guys. Definitely very soon you will be able to make sale through that very product that you are promoting guys currently, right? So this is the simple process guys. Simple, pick one problem and one, you can say, one affiliate product through which you're gonna solve the problem, right? And yeah, there is a one step that if you want, I would say you have to add this step. Pick one sales system, right, through which you're gonna solve, or through which you're gonna promote your affiliate product, and then finally pick one traffic source. So it can be Facebook or YouTube, right? And be stick with that one platform. It can be YouTube or Facebook for 6 to 12 months time. And definitely guys, if you stick with that, with faith, with belief, and you start providing some valuable content on consistent basis, definitely guys, very soon you will see great results in your affiliate marketing business, or you can say you will start earning money as an affiliate guys, right? So yes guys, this is how you earn money as an affiliate guys, right? And yes, if you have any question, yeah, you can see guys, this is my family. So yes, sometimes I put out some, not every time I put some can say affiliate marketing stuff. Sometimes I put some my family stuff guys, just to let people that yes, I'm a family guy, I'm a real person, right? I have my family, right? So yes, document your journey guys. Overall idea is that document your journey, right guys? So yes guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if there is anything that I can help in your business, please ask a question down below. I will try my level best to answer you guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right guys? So yes guys, this is all about for today guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys.